Hey, how's it going, guys? Matt here from Toasty DIY, and I'm here with a very quick video to show you our home theater, well, office theater movie setup that we made here. As you can see, we have this room that is right next to the, well, Toastybros office. We've done a little bit of a tour on the channel showing our move to the new Toastybros / PCBros HQ, so check those videos out if you haven't seen it already. Don't mind this desk. This is something for another DIY video coming very soon. But in here we have what we like to call our little movie night theater, mainly because, well, we have a projector now. So giving you all a quick tour. This is a little room that we had that basically, well, it connects into what is PCBros' reception area. You can see through there behind this wall of graphics cards. We did a movie night here once with this setup and it worked out pretty well. We might do a couple upgrades, like maybe some better speakers because they're not super loud, but we'll talk more about those here in a second. But let's go ahead and go over everything. How this works is we have a laptop plugged in HDMI, run cleanly all the way up here. There's a little bit of cable management there, and boom, onto this Vanco projector, which is a budget, well, quote unquote 4K projector. It really just takes 4K input and it really only projects 1080p, but it is pretty bright. It's not too bad. It's not the best projector in the world. There are way better options on the market, but as far as budget projectors go, it's pretty damn good. And I believe this is a Vivo projector mount, which allows us to screw it into the back of the board right here, back of the wall right here, and hang this projector perfectly where we want it, to where all we have to do is power this thing on. Ah, there we go. So it's powering on. Not really sure how well y'all can see this, but we're powered up, ready to go. We're gonna make sure our speakers are set up. These are Bluetooth speakers, so that's kind of how they pair. Let's see. Make sure everything is on. Power on. There we go.
Bluetooth connected.
There we go. So now Bluetooth's connected. You probably can't see this very well right now because, well, it is, the lights are on in here. So I'm going to turn the lights off. All right, so as you can see, we have the projector on and ready to go. Keep in mind, I am just using a GoPro, so I'm not totally sure how clean this image actually looks, but trust me, it looks pretty good. It doesn't fill this wall entirely because of the throw of this projector. Again, it is a budget projector, but I think it does a pretty good job displaying a really nice image. And what we're gonna do is go and play this video from our good friends at the Toastybros. Once this ad finishes playing. Oh, wait, no ad actually. Wait, we actually get just straight up content here. There we go. So now
I can upgrade your PC storage with their new Lexar NM6.
Look at that. Look at that Toastybros content. But yeah, no, now we got this whole setup going here.
This is one of our OG back when times were better PC builds. And all the links in the description down below, we'll try to keep up to date. They're affiliate links and they do help us out. I just started training with them below. But long story short, all of this stuff...
Yeah, as you can tell, speakers are pretty loud. They're not the greatest thing in the world. They are cheap Bluetooth speakers, so that may be the next upgrade we do. But what we have right here also are like some cheap beanbag chairs. The idea when we did movie night was we had some people sitting in these chairs, which I'll be totally honest with you, they're not very comfortable. They're really, really cheap chairs that we got from Target, and they're mainly for kids, so not the greatest investment in the world. And then we just roll up a bunch of our other chairs back here, and we have like stadium seating, watching whatever we want to watch. So yeah, it's just kind of a quick tour of our little home theater, office theater setup. I think it looks pretty nice. I'm very happy with how it turns out. And we've had a lot of good, well, we've had one. We're gonna have a lot more future movie nights that are gonna be a lot of fun here at Toastybros HQ. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to purchase anything from this video, I'll try to leave links in the description down below. But yeah, for a budget home theater setup, I would say if you were to do this and you already had a laptop, it probably would only cost you, well, give or take about $400 to $500 to get this up and running. The projector itself is only about $300. The mounts and everything and all the cables, you're probably looking at like $400 to $500 to get this up and running. And this projector we have does come with a cloth, but the fact that we have a really light wall, it actually works better just projecting straight on the wall because it's much smoother. If you had like a totally white wall, that would work really well also. But yeah, no, this is great. I absolutely love the way this looks. And if you guys want to pick anything up, links in the description down below. They will be affiliate links and they will help us out. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.